Hey, welcome back. We are going to look at WordPress documentation. The documentation can come in very handy for beginners. For instance, if I take my mouse over here where we have the million shoppers, next to it we have the WordPress logo, and if I scroll down a bit I can find documentation here. You can also get support and feedback or go to wordpress.org. We're going to look at the documentation, so I'll click to open this in a new tab. This is a WordPress Codex main page, and on this page you can find anything you need to know about WordPress here. You can even learn how to use WordPress. You can see most of the things we talked about in this course, like the use of permalinks, themes, plugins, creating and using posts, pages, etc. You also get links to resources on how to work with themes, theme development, writing a plugin. This is for development purposes. You can also contribute to the community if you want. Okay, so this is the Codex page. This page is not specific to any theme whatsoever. It just holds information about your core WordPress installation. So I felt like introducing you to the documentation page because it might come in handy. You may need some information later on and possibly find the solution to your problems. I want to congratulate you so far for sticking around to learn with me. You can go over the previous lessons again if you feel like you need to catch up with what we've been doing. Also, try to experiment on your own.